What's up, everybody? We're out here at Blue and Gold Salvage Yard in Charleston, or actually Goose Creek, South Carolina, looking for old school cars that kind of bring back memories to me when I was in the car clubs and into all the tuner stuff back in the late 90s to early 2000s. The car we just found, let me show it to you. It is a Eagle Talon. Some of y'all also know it as a Mitsubishi Eclipse. All right, so there's our Eagle Talon. I believe that's like a 1990 body style. And the reason I'm starting at the back is because the back is probably the best looking part on the vehicle here. Anyways, a lot of y'all will remember these cars. Maybe some of y'all watching had one of these cars back in the day. And you know, still a really good looking vehicle if you could find one on the road in good shape. Now, this one here has been picked apart like crazy. I mean, you got the door freaking hanging off of it, but you know, there's parts on this car if you had one of these that you could still salvage, and you might be able to buy the whole thing and still fix it up and do whatever you want with it. But anyways, a 1999 or 1990 Eagle Talon. You know, this was the days where the spoilers were just freaking rocking it right on into the back, nice and big, almost like a bookshelf here where you could sit there and eat your burger on there at the drive-in, you know, burger joint. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look and see it out. There's the original Eagle wheels. Now this one says 16 valve dual overhead cam turbo. So this would have been the one to get that was the one that was fun and fast to drive. Manual transmission, again, dual overhead cam turbo. I mean, this was a car that went, wah! I mean, it was fast, you know? Anyways, looks like there's your cams. Somebody left their intake filter in there. And I bet this car at some point was loved by somebody and probably, you know, really well taken care of, or at least, you know, hooked up and probably raced the damn thing. But looked like someone just ripped out the whole motor, left the transmission in, and left that in there and some other stuff. But yeah, they took the headlights, left the bumper, you know. But what a cool old school car. The Eagle Talon and also the Mitsubishi Eclipse. Again, they pretty much looked identical to each other back in the early 90s. Talon, they got number ZZ up on there. But anyways, is the roof's blacked out, but is the roof an actual sunroof? No. Anyway, so there's an Eagle Talon, guys. Kind of cool. I know it's a quick video of it, but hey, trying to make some videos so you don't have to watch an entire 30-minute walkthrough today of tons of cars. Let's kind of separate these videos today and highlight certain cars, and then we'll get back into the tour. Like, comment, and subscribe here on the channel, and let me know, did you own an Eagle Talon or a Mitsubishi Eclipse turbo like this? And if you did, share a little bit of information about your car in the comment section, or a quick story, and tell us how much you love your car like that. This car definitely has seen better days, and I bet tons of chicks were picked up while cruising in this car around town. You know, I mean, just a beautiful sports car from back in the day. You know, I'm sure there's a few of y'all watching, some of y'all older guys that probably had one of these, and you know, it's sad to see it kind of in the condition that it's in, but you know, it's kind of an old relic just sitting out here. Don't know if it's got any asbestos on it or not, but the body is definitely rusting away on it. But anyways, kind of cool to see, you know. It's just these rare old cars just sitting out here at the salvage yard that you walk by and say, whoa, man, take a look at the 280. There is a Dodge Magnum just laying in the dirt. Man, you know, it's actually kind of sad to see some of these vehicles out here like this. I mean, I think that's either a Dodge Stealth, one of those. Kind of a cool car, man. They had those with twin turbos in them and all kinds of neat stuff. Anyways, again, like the body's actually in pretty good shape on it, other than the roof being beat in right there. But I mean, look at the car, actually in pretty good shape. Yeah, I'm right. That's a Dodge Stealth. Those were really cool cars. And Mitsubishi also had one of these called the 3000 GT, I think it is, something like that. And anyways, a friend of mine named Brian back in the day had a white one, twin turbo, beautiful car. He took it to car shows and all, and always enjoyed getting in it with him and riding to the car shows and all that. So anyways, that's a really interesting car, and that's the type of car you could possibly buy from the salvage yard and fix the whole thing up, because the body's not too bad except for the fender right there is beat in, but I mean still the door panels, all that, other than that roof. This is a fixable vehicle if somebody really wanted to put the time and effort and the money into fixing that.